In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix tutorial for beginners, how to add HTML code or embed codes in Wix Now Shorts. Let's start by opening your Wix account and heading to My Sites. From there, pick the website you want to work on and choose Select and Edit Site. Then click Edit Site to launch the Wix Editor. Inside the editor, look to the left toolbar and click Add Elements. In the menu that opens, choose Embed Code. You'll see a few options here. Go to Popular Embeds and select Embed HTML. Wix will drop an empty embed box onto your page. You can drag it to a convenient spot for now. You can always reposition it later. Click the embed box and open its settings. You'll see a field that asks, "What do you want to add?" Click into that area and paste or type your code. This is where you place the HTML embed your provider gave you, things like iframes, widget snippets, or form embeds. If you're pasting a simple iframe, add it exactly as provided. Keep in mind that Wix renders this content inside an iframe, so scripts that require access to the page's head may not run here. For most common providers, though, the standard embed code works perfectly. After pasting your code, click Update. The preview should refresh so you can see how the embed will look on the page. If nothing appears, double-check that your code is complete and uses secure HTTPS URLs to avoid mixed content issues. You may also see a field labeled "What's in the Embed?" Add a short description here, something like YouTube video or booking widget. This helps you stay organized and can improve accessibility. Confirm your entry if prompted. In the Settings panel, make sure the mode is set to HTML rather than website address. Selecting HTML ensures Wix reads your pasted code instead of treating it like a simple URL. Once the content is rendering, resize the embed box so it fits your layout. If the embed offers responsive sizing, expand the frame to give it enough room to breathe. When you're satisfied, click Publish at the top right to push your changes live. Then choose View Site to open the live page and verify everything loads as expected. If the embed doesn't appear on the live site, clear your cache or test in a private window and confirm any third-party blockers aren't interfering. That's it. Your HTML or embed